After you've installed Codolex, you will find Codolex in the Delphi menu. To get started, open the Project Explorer and dock the Project Explorer to somewhere in Delphi. If you want to keep the Project Explorer at this place, make sure that you save your desktop layout. So the next time you start Delphi, the Codolex Project Explorer will be here. To get started, create a new Codolex project. Codolex will now have this Codolex project linked to your Delphi project. That way, if you reopen this Delphi project, Codolex will automatically open the Codolex project as well. To get started, what you can do is create a new module. A module is a way to group logic together. And after you've created a module, you can create flow classes. Flow classes are also a way to structure business logic together. Think of a flow class as a Delphi class. And the last bit is the flow. A flow is the lowest level of Codolex. This is where you build your business logic. As you can see here, we have an empty flow. The flow will get executed from the start to the end, and everything in between you can fill in using these activities, these building blocks you can simply drag in. So let's build a really easy one. We drag in a show message dialog. We fill in the message and let's save everything. Now, if we want to use this flow in our code, we can go to Delphi, to the main form. Let's put a button here and implement the on-click. So the linking between a flow, the business logic, and your Delphi project is done by using this flow in code. So I can right-click on a flow and say use in code. What then happens is that you will see that we get the call to this flow here in Delphi, but Codolex also adds the required files to the usage. Now, if we compile our Delphi project, you will see that we have the source code available, and if I run this, I will get the message here, which we defined in the flow. You can even open the files, of course, that Codolex generates. So this is the interface, and this is the actual implementation. So this is how you get started using Codolex. In the next demos, we will dive into a more complex flow and show you a lot more about what you can do with Codolex and how it can help you to speed up your development.